Hello, my name is Robert Farmelo, and welcome to the Metaphysics of Love. And this is a book series with some key teaching points. Let's start off with, it's about how you feel. And feelings come from what you think. So, in a way, it's all about what you think. And what you think are thoughts. Can you choose your thoughts? I think, therefore I am, can be turned around and become relevant to you for personal ownership of your thoughts and feelings. I am, therefore I think. But how does any of this mumbo jumbo have any real meaning to you when it comes to making more money, falling in love, finding inner peace, stopping being a drug addict, getting out of an abusive relationship, with yourself even, finding your true love, hopefully that turns out to be yourself, and maybe losing that excess weight. But hey, we can keep going with the list, can't we? I've said so much about what you and I might want more of, or less of, what we might want to change, that I forgot the basic question I asked you in the first place, which is, what does this book series, The Metaphysics of Love, give you that is factual, practical, factual? Or is it an intellectual masturbation that gives a bit of momentary pleasure, but doesn't give you the really meaty answers of why and how, and now what? See, if you love wisdom, you know there are practical bits of advice littered throughout the word games of great thinkers. Stuff that when actually applied makes your life better. Like, for instance, a stitch in time saves 9, or the early bird catches the worm, or don't try and invade Russia, or don't bite off more than you can chew, which is basically don't try and invade Russia, or haste makes waste, and strike when the iron is hot. These are all examples of practical philosophy, a practical application of the love of wisdom. And that's what this book series gives you. You, the lover of wisdom, get a positive and practical guide to your attitudes, opinions, feelings, and thoughts about love. The book series, The Metaphysics of Love, is waiting for you right now. I ask you to go and get your first copy of the first book, and it'll be sent directly to you in your email inbox, or you can get the hardcover copy, and it's waiting for you right now. All you have to do is take some practical, factual action. Act now and get the lover of wisdom's metaphysics, the inquiry into the part that doesn't really have substance, does it? The part of the heart, the love vibration. Get the Metaphysics of Love now. You are going to love it.